there's a quiet truth that rarely gets spoken out loud. After age 60, your body gradually starts to lose muscle with each passing day. Even if you stay active, even if you keep up your daily walks, weakness after 60 isn't just about getting older. It's a result of a natural process called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. It doesn't cause pain. It leaves no visible scars. But little by little, it weakens your legs, makes standing up harder, and can turn something as simple as climbing a few stairs into a real challenge. And here's the even more serious part. Muscle does far more than make you look strong. It fuels your entire body, helping regulate blood sugar, protecting your bones and joints, strengthening your immune system, and most importantly, preventing falls, the leading cause of emergency room visits for older adults. But there's good news. Muscle can be rebuilt. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need fancy supplements. And you definitely don't need a complicated or extreme diet. All you need is to start small, right in your own kitchen. In today's video, I'll share 5 simple, familiar, and easy-to-find foods available at just about any grocery store that can support muscle recovery, help keep your legs strong, and bring back the energy you may have thought was gone. And the best part? You can do it naturally, gently, and in a way that fits your body, whether you're 60, 70, or beyond. Wondering where to begin? The answer might already be waiting for you, inside your fridge. Because the first food you should reach for might seem plain at first glance, but it's packed with extraordinary muscle-supporting power. 1. Greek yogurt. You've likely had yogurt plenty of times before, maybe as a light breakfast or a quick dessert. But you might not realize that 1 cup of Greek yogurt a day can become a cornerstone of rebuilding strength after 60. Greek yogurt isn't like regular yogurt. It's carefully strained to remove excess liquid, making it thicker, creamier, and most importantly, much higher in protein, delivering around 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving. It also contains casein and whey, 2 types of protein crucial for muscle repair and growth as we age. On top of that, Greek yogurt is packed with natural probiotics, friendly bacteria that help improve digestion, reduce silent inflammation, and boost nutrient absorption. And when your digestion improves, your muscles rebuild better too. Studies, including one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, show that adding high-quality protein like yogurt to your daily diet can preserve muscle, increase strength, lower fall risk, and improve overall quality of life, often within just a few weeks. Still skeptical that something as simple as yogurt could make a real difference? Let me share a story. Margaret, a 72-year-old from Wisconsin, used to think she was too old to feel strong again. She treated Greek yogurt like a casual snack, something to grab when bored. But after her doctor recommended boosting her protein intake, Margaret made a small change. Every morning, she started eating a bowl of plain Greek yogurt topped with berries and a sprinkle of ground flaxseed. 6 weeks later, Margaret felt lighter on her feet, stronger when carrying groceries, and even noticed improvements in her digestion and sleep. If you'd like to try this too, start with half to 1 cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt each day, either with breakfast or as an afternoon snack. Top it with berries, walnuts, or ground flaxseed for extra fiber and healthy fats. Quick tip: if you're lactose intolerant, look for lactose-free Greek yogurt or plant-based alternatives like almond-based Greek yogurt with added protein. Avoid yogurts loaded with added sugars or artificial flavors. They can spike blood sugar and undo the health benefits. 2. Skinless chicken breast. When it comes to restoring muscle strength after 60, lean protein becomes absolutely essential. And few foods are more straightforward, reliable, or widely available than skinless chicken breast. In just 3 ounces of cooked skinless chicken breast, you get more than 25 grams of complete protein, exactly the amount recommended by experts to support muscle retention in older adults. But it's not just about the protein. Chicken breast is also rich in key nutrients like vitamin B6 for energy production and protein metabolism, phosphorus for bone strength, selenium, a powerful antioxidant, niacin for healthy blood flow and heart support. Removing the skin keeps the chicken low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making it ideal if you're managing blood pressure, heart health, or cholesterol levels. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high-protein diets centered around lean foods like chicken can slow muscle loss, improve strength and mobility, and significantly reduce fall risk among seniors. To get the benefits, choose fresh, skinless, and non-breaded chicken breast. Cook it simply grilled, baked, steamed, or lightly pan-seared to preserve nutrients. Pair it with fiber-rich vegetables and whole grains to enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. Quick caution: avoid breaded, fried chicken, or sugary sauces. If you have chronic kidney disease or follow a protein-restricted diet, talk to your doctor about the right serving size for you. 3. Eggs. Most people think of eggs as a basic breakfast, but there's so much more, especially after 60. Each egg offers over 6 grams of top-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, an amino acid that acts like a spark to kickstart muscle building. A 2016 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that leucine from eggs significantly boosts muscle protein synthesis in older adults, especially when combined with light physical activity. Eggs are also soft and easy to digest, rich in vitamin B12, packed with choline, which supports brain health and neuromuscular function. Let me introduce you to James, 74, from North Carolina. He used to avoid eggs, worried they might worsen his cholesterol. But after learning from his doctor that moderate egg consumption doesn't raise heart disease risk, he gave them a second chance. James began eating 1 boiled egg with whole grain toast and greens each morning. Within a month, he noticed less stiffness, better balance, and even fewer dizzy spells when standing up. If you like to add eggs to your day, start with 1 egg per day. Choose healthy cooking methods: boil, steam, poach, or bake. Mix them into salad, sandwiches, or veggie omelets. Important note: if you have high cholesterol or heart disease, you can still enjoy eggs, but aim for about 1 per day or up to 7 per week. 4. Fresh tuna. When it comes to protecting muscle strength and fighting silent inflammation, fresh tuna is a standout. In just 3 ounces, you'll get more than 20 grams of high-quality protein. And something even more powerful: omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which help reduce muscle inflammation, protect joints, enhance muscle repair and protein synthesis. A 2015 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that omega-3s boost the body's ability to rebuild and maintain muscle, even when physical activity is limited. They also support heart health, a major bonus for seniors. Tuna is also rich in vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, potassium. To enjoy it safely, choose fresh or high-quality frozen tuna, preferably wild-caught. Lightly grill or pan-sear with simple seasonings like lemon, garlic, or black pepper. Limit intake to 1 to 2 servings per week to minimize mercury exposure. Quick tip: if you have gout, limit tuna, as it's high in purines which can exacerbate symptoms. 5. Cottage cheese. Finally, there's one more humble food that deserves attention: cottage cheese. It might not seem exciting, but it's one of the few natural sources rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps feeding your muscles for up to 8 hours, especially important overnight. A 2012 study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed around 30 grams of casein before bed built more muscle and woke up feeling stronger and less stiff. Cottage cheese is also packed with calcium for bone strength, vitamin B12, phosphorus, selenium. Just ask Robert, 76, from Colorado. He used to wake up stiff and tired every morning. But after adding half a cup of cottage cheese with some flaxseed and banana slices before bed, within 3 weeks, he slept better, moved easier in the mornings, and felt a noticeable lift in daily energy. If you want to try it, enjoy half a cup of low-fat or fat-free cottage cheese about an hour before bedtime. Pair it with berries, banana, or ground flaxseed for added fiber and anti-inflammatory benefits. Important tip: avoid flavored cottage cheese products loaded with added sugars or sodium. Final thoughts. Today, we explored 5 easy, powerful foods to help rebuild muscle after 60. Greek yogurt, skinless chicken breast, eggs, fresh tuna, cottage cheese. No single food is magic, But with small, consistent choices, your body responds. Muscle doesn't disappear forever. It's just waiting for the right fuel to come back stronger. Sometimes, one simple change in your meal can lead to stronger steps, better sleep, and more energized days. If you found today's video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who could benefit, and drop a comment below. Which of these 5 foods are already part of your routine? Do you have questions about nutrition after 60? We read every comment and love hearing from you. And don't forget, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future tips for senior nutrition, healthy living, and daily strength. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Wishing you health in every breath, every step, and every bite. See you in the next video.